Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Makar Sankranti is just around the corner and today I'm gonna share a healthy and yummy chocolate Til Barfi recipe. It's not only a festive sweet, but you can also enjoy this as a healthy snack. It's moist, fudgy, super yummy and very easy to make. And it's a perfect treat for all the chocolate lovers out there. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So we'll start by heating a pan on low to medium heat. Add 1 cup peanuts and roast them for around 5 to 6 minutes. Next we'll add half cup sesame seeds and roast them for another 2 to 3 minutes. We'll also add half cup desiccated coconut and continue roasting for 2 more minutes. Turn off the heat and let this mixture cool completely. Now we'll transfer this cooled mixture into a food processor or blender. And blend till it starts releasing the oil and turns into a smooth and creamy paste like this. Now into this creamy paste we'll add half cup roughly chopped dates. I'm using medjool dates here. Also add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder. Continue blending till everything is nicely combined. The Burfi mixture is ready. We'll transfer this into a parchment paper lined square container. Using a spoon or spatula, press down the mixture firmly and evenly. We'll sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds. And using a spoon, press them into the Burfi mixture gently. Now we'll place this Burfi mixture into the fridge to set for an hour. And it's ready to cut into bars. Transfer the firmed up Burfi mixture into a chopping board and slice it into 12 pieces. And enjoy this easy peasy, wholesome festive sweet which is healthy and tasty as well. And it's a perfect balanced dessert for all the chocolate lovers out there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you have never made a chocolate Til Barfi recipe, give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.